So hello, Leo, Sun, and Rising people, and happy birthday. So August is your time to shine, and with the Fool upright as your tarot card theme for this month, you may be inspired to start fresh or at the very least, make some changes to your current path. Now there's a sense of spontaneity and adventure tied in with this card. Maybe things have gotten a little bit mundane or boring for you. The Fool making its appearance tells me that you are looking to add a little more excitement to your life, Leo. Now, in your relationship and love life, we're just going to jump right in there. As I mentioned, you are being encouraged to be spontaneous and open to new experiences. Let go of those nagging doubts, go with the flow, and see where it takes you. Now, of course, this is a collective reading, so be careful and use your discernment, and this goes for the entire message, okay? But that being said, nothing will change unless you do something different. If there is an opportunity to meet new people, travel, or check out some different local places, do it. I am intuitively sensing that some of my singles out there have been in hermit mode for a little too long now. It's time to put yourself back out there and maybe have a little faith that your special someone is out there looking for you too. For my committed couples, an adventure or excursion may be just the thing to put a little zing back into your love life and give you something interesting to talk about. Now, for all my Leos, young, old, and those in between, you are encouraged to explore new friendships, philosophies, groups, places, and hobbies. Life doesn't have to be so serious all the time. Let your playful side out, Leo. The Fool upright is a good sign that the universe is supporting endeavors that encourage healthy personal expansion and growth. Don't be afraid to take a few calculated risks. Now, in your professional life, now this can go for work or school. The Fool's energy encourages you to explore new paths and opportunities if this is something that you're being pulled to do. So if you've been thinking about a career change, switching majors, starting a new project or business, or even taking on a different professional role, now is the perfect time to think outside the box. Leo, the greatest rewards often come with some initial risk. The Fool reminds you that every journey starts with a single step, which takes courage and faith in your ability to adapt as needed as you go. Even if you're unsure where it will lead, trust that you'll learn along the way and that you have what it takes to succeed. And if you need to make changes later on, you have all the freedom in the world to do so. Now, the Fool is quite a spiritual card. It is one of the major arcana tarot cards in the deck. It encourages you to challenge yourself to break free from habits and routines that no longer serve you. The Fool literally symbolizes a fresh start. Now, as we look at the image, we see the character in the card travels with just a small knapsack for his things. What extra baggage are you carrying, Leo? Is it time to lighten your load and let some things go so you can move forward? Or maybe you are ready to let some things go so you can pursue a new path or goal. Finally, in terms of your personal health and self-care, the Fool encourages you to embrace a sense of playfulness and freedom this month. I mean, it is your birthday month after all, Leo. Let go of rigid routines, even if it's just for a few weeks, and allow yourself to be spontaneous. Try taking an unplanned day trip, attending a class, or maybe trying a new activity, whatever you can do that encourages more laughter and lightness into your life. In general, my Leos do not do well with too much seriousness around them and heavy energies, okay? You've got to lighten your vibe, so to speak. Keep in mind that your ruling planet is the sun. Go explore, get some fresh air, and have some fun discovering the joys of the unexpected. You will be pleasantly surprised at what you find. Okay, Leo, that does it for me. your reading was a little bit deeper than what I was expecting this month. I hope these channeled messages were helpful. And if they were, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you, Leo. Go out there and find your joy and have a wonderful month of August.